How to verify Facebook page. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can verify your Facebook page. So without any further delay, let us get started. Head over to your Facebook application and get logged into your Facebook page. Then tap onto your initial on your top right, you will see this page. Under here, tap on Help and Support and tap on Help Center. At the top search bar, type in Meta Verify My Page and then tap on the search icon. You will see a lot of articles related with the search. Then tap on About Verified Pages and Profile. So it says that Meta Verified is a monthly paid subscription that comes with a lot of features such as verified badge, account support, impersonation protection, and more. If you'd like to learn more about verifying your page or profile, tap on Learn more about how pages or profiles are verified. If you just want to get a badge for your Facebook page, tap on to request a verified badge on Facebook. Then under Verify your profile or page, you will see Fill in this form. Tap onto it. You will be given a form that you should fill. Here, tap on if it's your profile or page that you would like to verify. Then attach a document if it's driving license, passport, or tax filing. Just like so, follow all these instructions and attach documents when necessary, then tap on to Send. That is how you can verify your Facebook page. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you soon in our next upload.